I have this stubborn cold for last 2 weeks, which is not going away. So I wanted to try this Indian Ayurvedic home remedy, which is called Kadha. Kadha is a herbal tea. I used to hate it when I was kid, when my mom used to make it, but it's so good for you. So let's make it. Take some black peppercorn, ginger, turmeric, fennel seed. Using a mortar and pestle, pound those spices. Boil water, add holy basil or Thai basil to it, then add the pound spices, add jaggery, bring it to a boil, and then cover and simmer it for another 5 minutes. Have it warm or hot. There you go, a easy home remedy, which is a great immune booster. Give it a try and follow for more.